Hi, 5 things you must do before joining your MBA college. I'm Patrick, scored 100 percentile 6 times in CAT. So just informing you regarding what you must do in your 2 years MBA journey. So you're reading a series of videos that will help you. Go to those videos, try to follow them as far as possible. We have been in this particular area for more than 22 years where we train students for management entrance. So fairly understand what the journey, 2 year journey takes. The first thing is try to connect with your batchmates and seniors and attend the pre-MBA meets, try to go about it. So connect with your seniors. How does connecting helps? Because they will tell you college specific information like what works, what doesn't work. I remember I was talking to some students from a college. They said that if I want to get into a specific company, I should join this specific committee. Why? Because most of the alumni from that committee are in that company or organization, and they tend to pick up people from that committee. So that's what that specific college had that. So one committee for one specific company organization, second committee for second particular organization. So that's how it worked. Because it works differently for different colleges. So it's important that you connect with your college seniors to understand what works. For academics, what should I do? For getting a good placement, what should I do? What do companies look for? What do teachers look for? How are your assignments graded? All that your seniors will tell you much better. Also, they could help you form a supporting block when you're in your 2 years of your journey. Go with it. Also, join the official WhatsApp Telegram group. Attend the city meets, Zoom intros, networking sessions. Okay, build that early rapport, not only with your seniors but your batchmates and whomever you can connect for based on your college. Maybe alumni as well, because tomorrow when you're doing projects, etc., you could connect with them to help you with some information from the industry. Good. Second, LinkedIn profile becomes extremely important. The first thing that a lot of people do is they go to LinkedIn and then try to see who are there from your college or etc. Try to connect with that. So go to your LinkedIn profile. If you don't have it, create one. Okay, and from there you can connect to your seniors, alumni, incoming back, everyone as such. Okay, try to engage with them. It helps because in the future when you want any help from project or any related work, LinkedIn is a good way to connect. Also go to your other social media updates. Any controversial stuff, remove it, because when you go for placements, some of the companies do ask your social media feeds and they go through it, and if they see any controversial aspects, you criticize something on the government or you've done something, there's a high chance that you may not be they may reject you on some pretext or the other. So it makes sense to go to your social media feed and keep it clean as far as possible. Third, go through your resume, create a resume if you don't have one, and try to look at your resume. See how you can be different from the other people who could join as such. Or how can you value add your resume? Can you do a course or can you do something else to help you in your resume? So get feedback from your mentors, from professionals who can go to your resume and give you feedback in terms of how you need to change your resume to help better, get shortlisted in companies as such. So because as soon as you join the college, in a few months you will have your summer placements, which becomes extremely important. So in that case, your resume, the way it is placed, it becomes extremely important on that. Get your documents in place, right from degree certificates, mark sheet, your clothes, stationery, laptop. What kind of laptop? Talk to your seniors. Say, is there any specification of laptop that a college requires? Where you can buy from, or do they have a group buying thing that is there? Some colleges may require medical reports. Get that done. Also meet your boss or professors before leaving as such. Have that network in place, because tomorrow when you go to a college, you may require some approvals from your boss to confirm some work that you have done. So in that case, having a good connection with your boss helps. Also ask for LinkedIn endorsements if possible, or references. It could help to build your resume to some extent. And also that may help you in your future projects. If you want future projects, jobs, or some collaborations, these professors, bosses who are already in connect with you could definitely help you in the long run. Right? I hope this helps. Go through these videos, try to understand what is important and try to build on it. This 2 years of yours is very important, will make or break your career. Technically should make your career. Go ahead and do your best. Thank you.